And lot 230, the 1959. Thank you. The Roadless Land Rover. Just in case you're not sure which one it is, it's on my left here. At the front, this wonderful, rare Land Rover. As you know, prototype number 2, made on special. As I say, it's a very, very special vehicle, this. Bit of interest in this has been with the current vendor. He bought this in the 1990s, then had it restored. It's been in his possession ever since. They were made for the Forestry Commission. So, as I say, what's this worth? Maybe 100,000? I'll start it straight in at 50,000 and £50,000 I bid. Straight in. 50,000 I bid on this. At 55,000 I bid. 55 my bid at the moment. I'll give you a chance on this at 55,000. Extremely rare. 60 online. 65,000 my bid. 65 on commission. Got a written bid on this one at 65,000. Internet's out at the moment. 65,000. My bid. 65. 70,000 new bidder. 75,000. 75,000. Back to the telephones. 80,000. 85. 85,000 pounds on bid. 85. 90,000. 95 on bid. 95. 100,000. 105 bid. 105,000 pounds. Is it 110? For the Roadless Land Rover. 105. Back to the telephones now. International interest in this they expect. 105,000 pounds I bid. Is it 110? Phones have gone. I'll give you a chance. You say no. Any further bids now? 110 back in. 110 coming back. 110,000 pounds. Is it 115 anywhere? The other phones have gone. Internet's gone as well. Fantastic opportunity. Don't miss it. 110,000 pounds with Rob. Other phones have gone. For the last time, 110,000 pounds. We'll take it. Phone bid at 110. Thank you very much.